Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We are going to discuss Italian fashion house Dolce & Gabbana. I'm going to do a review on this bag. I'm also going to show you some mod shots of me wearing this bag so you can kind of see what it looks like on. And if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So the Dolce & Gabbana Logo Flap leather bag is absolutely the most soft calfskin leather. It feels so soft. So the entire front flap is completely taken up by the D&G monogram. So if you're not into logos, you may not be into this bag. However, it is such a subtle, well done, kind of classy logo on the front of here that I think that even people who aren't big into logos would really enjoy this bag. It is really well done. It is super subtle and it just looks so pretty. So this bag does come in a number of different colors. Obviously I have the red one, but it also comes in pink, black, I believe a tan or a taupey shade, and all of them are just really pretty. So this bag is super structured. The bottom of the bag is super structured. The side of the bag is very structured, and it definitely sits well without any sort of problem. And it is just a really well-structured bag. I love a good structured bag. So this bag has these magnetic closures, and again, this leather, this calfskin leather is so smooth and soft and supple. It just feels so nice, really nice quality. So the clasps on here are magnetic clasps, so they're super easy to open and close. There's none of that whole trying to find the snap hole. It's just easy. So then inside the bag, it has a nice size compartment in there. And then it also has a zip. Let me just fold this back a little bit so you can see. So it has this little zip pocket right in there. And you can easily fit a card in there. And then on this side, it has this really great pocket with a little snap. It's just really well designed. And of course, could easily fit a card holder and your cell phone and a few cosmetic items. So then the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it for a shoulder bag as well as a crossbody bag, which is always how I use this bag. I really like that it is a really good crossbody bag. Anytime I go anywhere where I just need to take a few things, usually it's an active day where we're going to an amusement park or we're going to visit a maze or a farm or some sort of activity where I just can't be lugging a whole lot of items around with me because it's going to be an all-day event, I'll reach for this one. And it is definitely big enough for all the things you need, but it's definitely lightweight and easy to carry around with you. So if you wanted to dress it up a little bit, you could just remove the strap, which is a really nice feature because you can use it as your crossbody bag and use it for a super casual day. And when you're done, you can go out on an evening date with your hubby or your significant other and use it as a really nice little clutch bag. Super cute, super structured. I just think it is so pretty. Okay, so I am going to show you some mod shots of this bag. Okay, so before I do the mod shots, I wanted to give you the dimensions of this bag. So this is 7 3/4 inches in width. It is 6 inches in height, and it is 2.5 inches in width. So the strap is adjustable from 20 inches all the way to 23.5 inches. So quite a bit of versatility there on that strap. Easily you can crossbody this bag, and it is such a good bag. So this is a made in Italy bag, which makes sense. That's where the fashion house is located, is in Italy, in Milan to be precise. And this bag retails for $1,195. You can either get it on the Dolce Gabbana website. It also is sold at Neiman Marcus as well as Nordstrom. And like I said, they have a variety of different colors to choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some mod shots of this bag. I'm going to show you the versatility of how to wear it, and just stay tuned. I absolutely love this bag. It can be super cute and casual, or you could dress it up as well, which I do. But it is so cute. Such a cute bag. So this is a more casual kind of vibe. Then you can always dress it up if you wanted. I'll show you how. Okay, so just for reference, I am 5'10", and it is such a cute bag. I just feel like it definitely can be dressed up or down. I could easily wear this with a little black dress and dress it up a ton. But you can definitely kind of elevate the look, make it a little bit more dressy if you wanted. It's just a really great bag. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, and I would love it if you would subscribe. So I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.